My name is John Wilton. I am an instructor at Advanced CDL Driving Academy. Today we will teach you how to forward stop your front bumper inside of the box.
Gotcha.
I will begin by putting my vehicle into drive. I will release my brakes. And I will pull forward in a straight line. Now we would do our 100-foot straight line backing to return to our original starting position. I'm looking for my rear of the trailer. Whichever way it turns, I want to